get nobody.
Alright, so a few minutes later, one of Juliet's friends goes and tells Romeo what Juliet thinks about him.
Hey Romeo, did you know that Juliet likes you?
Oh, lucky man.
Lucky man!
You like her, don't you?
Yeah. I know that I like her too.
Okay.
Wilson getting them girls.
So Romeo's cousin right here secretly liked Juliet too. So the next day, since he's really jealous, he goes and tells Juliet a lie.
Oh yeah, I was talking to my cousin Romeo. He says that you're really ugly.
Oh!
You just got slapped.
So the next day,
That's not real.
Romeo finds out what his cousin did to him, and he confronts him about it.
How you do this to me, man? You ruined my life. So, I like her. Where's Video again?
Beat him.
So later, Romeo doesn't know what to do. So he goes and asks his father later that night for some advice.
There's this girl I really like. But man, my cousin, he went and told her a lie. Now she wants to kill me.
Oh no.
You don't like that? Well, tomorrow go tell her that you really love her and that it was a lie. Okay?
So after getting advice, Romeo follows his dad's advice, and the next day he tells Juliet his true feelings.
My cousin said it was a lie.
Speak louder, louder. Again.
Well, my cousin said it was a lie.
How do I know that's the truth? How do I know you're not lying?
Because I love you.
That's going on YouTube.
Solid.
You say that you love me too.
Ah.
Okay.
That's not me laughing.
So Juliet goes and talks.
You can't go out with him yet. I told you. You can't have a boyfriend until you're done with college. I don't care if it's far away.
You can't keep treating me like a kid. I'm a teenager now.
I'm still your father and I can treat you however I want.
But I really like him.
Okay, fine. You go out with Romeo on one condition.
What's that?
You have to kill the goon of the Green Lagoon.
Lagoon of the Green Lagoon? Cousin of the G-Goon? Okay, fine. I'll go tell him tomorrow.
Alright, so the next day, Juliet goes and tells Romeo what he must do for them to be able to go out.
Dating, you have to clear one condition.
That condition is.
You have to go kill the goon of the Green Lagoon.
You mean a cousin of Jigu?
Yes. But before you go there, you need the witch Elpha Ball.
What?
Elpha Ball.
What?
Elf.
Well.
Ball.
Ball.
Alpha Ball.
Mhm.
Let's go see her.
Okay, so now Romeo knows what he needs to do, and so he goes and talks to the witch on how to kill the goon.
You, the witch, what are your names? Tell me how to get to the Green Lagoon and kill her.
What do you
So, come with me, and I will show you how to get to the goon of the goon lagoon. You have to go over the river, turn
Through
left
the
at
wood.
the bridge, walk down the valley,
Go
across the
to
turn right at the cave,
the cave.
go through the cave, and follow Red Lake Road. And then you're at the goon of the goon lagoon.
There's our way.
Yeah, you could have just turned left there. You're there.
Who are you? Why do you dare disturb me? I'm on a mission. Well, you shall not succeed in your mission. I'm in love. No. Dirt! Stop! I hate love. Get away from me.
You
I need to kill you. No, stop.
So I.
He's a beast, he a dog, he a big five problem. Okay, he's a goon, but what's the goon to the goblin? Nothing, you ain't getting nothing.
Random little girl. Come out of nowhere, little girl just said it.
So now Romeo has completed his mission, and he's finally gonna go ask Juliet's dad for permission to go out.
Okay. You go out with my daughter.
I was gonna be like that for real.
Oh my god, hooray!
Hooray.
Peso!
Peso.